Put your hands up. Let's go.
Oh, and here's the big guy.
Walk outside.
Yeah.
Walk outside.
Oh.
Yeah, he's always.
Keep walking.
Go.
Go.
Oh.
Don't drink so much, man.
I think he likes you.
Yeah. Wow.
Come on.
You okay? What did I? I'm very
You're a little drunk, man.
Just follow these guys.
Come on.
We're gonna go.
Oh.
On November 18th, 2022, at approximately 5:09 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a local convenience store on a call about a man who was incredibly intoxicated and harassing customers.
Hi, I have one guy that is drunk actually in my store. He's not going actually. I'm trying to get him out, and he's getting like fighting with each customer. Like I don't know, and he's taking some shit. I don't know why.
Like physically fighting?
Yeah, not physically, but he's just trying to speaking like bad words and that all stuff, and he's just being laid down by the machine. So
what's the address there?
The officers arrived on scene and located the male. His level of intoxication is going to be quite obviously apparent to the viewer. While this man is eventually going to be arrested, I would like to point out the effort the officers put into taking him to a safe place to avoid taking him to jail. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
Well, this one's set. I think this says circle mark, so.
Same thing.
Yeah, I don't know.
You just want him to leave?
Yeah, actually, but he's not. I try a lot. Like
Okay.
almost like 1 hour.
Hey, man. What's up? You okay?
Anyone on 17
Can we help you up?
for 34.
Why?
How you doing? You okay?
7646 Elmo Road.
Just hanging out?
John Nora Victor.
You need help up?
Sure.
You speak English?
You know what?
Yes.
You stand up for us? You gotta leave.
The guy wants you to leave. Come on, you can't be in here laying on the floor. Come on, let's put your shoes on. It's time to go. You need help?
Sure.
What's up? You need to hold them?
Put your shoes on, or... Okay, we'll just get up then. We can
Need
help you.
They help you up? Come on.
Oh, get,
There we
get your
go.
feet up. There you go.
You okay? You want to put your shoes on? You good?
Yeah.
There you go.
Careful. I don't want you falling.
Look at me.
What's up?
You mean?
Easy.
Hey, put your shoes on.
Shit. Hey. I don't even know.
Keep your pants up.
Hey, you want to put your shoes on, man, right there?
Hey,
Hey, you know, y'all look like twins.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you want to put your shoes on? Just keep your hands down.
Here, let's put your shoes on, buddy.
Sir,
Where do you live?
I
What's
Hey,
up?
man, you got an ID in that wallet?
fuck. I ain't got shit.
Well, just mean, do you have an ID in the wallet in your back pocket?
A ranger?
What do you?
Let's put your shoes on.
Okay.
It's time to go.
Sir,
What's up?
you know this guy's up all the time. You know. You looking and down.
Hey,
Me.
sir.
Can you grab your ID out of your wallet,
can I-
please?
I ain't got shit on me.
You don't have a wallet? What's your name?
Hey, my name. No, I was trying to have me.
Okay, he's gonna get your wallet.
Okay.
You got an ID on you? You wanna put your
Nobody got any.
put your slides on. Hey,
No. Nice got you, Charlie.
No ID, man.
You want to have a seat?
And you know.
No, he lives on Sandalwood, close to Yellowwood and all that stuff.
You live off Sandalwood?
Yeah. He stays with his stuff on his eye. He's always like this.
Okay. Well, let's get your slides on, man.
And you know though. And shoot it.
I got you.
Shoes on.
And you.
He's always like this.
And
Hey, get your shoes on, and we gotta go. It's time to go home.
okay, so they walk out.
Get your stuff on, man.
There's your wallet for you. Put your shoes on.
Okay, I'm.
There you go.
He's a kiss of himself.
Put your shoes
Oh,
on.
you
Just
like
laying on the floor,
soccer?
just looking
He's
laying on his belly.
Hey.
okay.
Put your shoes on.
What's up?
Oh, you want to go? You know, you.
What's happening here?
No.
Hey, let's get
go.
your shoes on, man.
Put your shoes on.
Come on, we gotta get you home. Let's go. Come on, it's time to go, or we're gonna take you out.
Sir.
No.
Yes.
What's your address?
What?
You know which one it is.
Okay.
All right, put your shoes on so we can leave. Come on. No, you gotta leave right now.
Sir, what?
I'll hold it. Let's go. Get your
And
shoes.
you know, you're
Let's go.
thinking about the walkout.
All right, put your shoes on.
And
Put your shoes on.
what do
Okay,
you
we'll just leave the shoes here. Come on.
And
Then get your shoes on.
You seen him before?
And you know,
Yeah, it's the second time.
look
He's
at
always
him, you know, he's
Always.
oh shit.
Come on, we're gonna go.
Okay, what? Now we talking.
We're gonna go home.
Okay.
Easy.
Come on.
Oh.
Easy.
You're taking me?
Yeah.
We're taking you home.
Come on, man. Put your hands up. Let's go.
Oh, and he's the big guy.
outside.
Yeah.
Walk outside.
Oh.
Yeah, he's always.
Keep walking.
Go.
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 Oh, shit.
Don't drink so much, man.
I think he likes you.
Yeah. What?
Come on.
Yes.
You okay?
Hey, what did I? I'm very okay.
You're a little drunk, man.
Just follow these guys.
Come on.
We're gonna go home.
Watch the ice.
Oh, ow.
Well, you should have put your shoes on, man.
And yeah, I'm taking, and you know, what do you got to? And you know what? And you know,
We're gonna take you
you
home.
walk
Did you
up.
check his pocket?
Yeah.
Yeah, I checked his pockets. I didn't pat them all down. Hang on, man. Hang on.
Relax.
That's your wallet.
You know, you do, huh? Oh.
This is the one that you can't.
Come on, we're gonna
Oh,
take you home.
he's
Yeah,
good.
just put the tip of the key in and put it.
Man, look at him.
Just the tip.
Just put your hand down. Hang on. You're fine. All right, have a seat. Have a seat. There you go. You got
There
it.
we go.
Good job.
And you know,
I'll put your leg in there. Scoot in.
and we're gonna place
Yellowwood area.
Oh, who's calling me? What's my
No, don't worry about who's
Okay.
calling you. All right.
All right, you ready?
Watch your arm. Watch your arm.
My auntie, okay, so listen.
We're gonna have a 5-1 to the area of Sandalwood and Yellowwood.
I don't
Sorry, what was your
give
problem?
a shit. You know, I have who's
Yellowwood.
Shit. Shit. Take me to my auntie.
I think I know who this is.
Yeah, I think he's the same guy
It's
that
like
I
a
was talking
ranch
about.
house.
Yeah.
I haven't seen him
Walk up.
along. It's probably
Okay,
been
you
years.
know, and say, please. You like what?
Not a single thing in his wallet has his name on it.
Anyway, let me know.
He told us a different name.
And different and
It was like his uncle's name.
say, please. You're a good people, okay? You know that. What's your name anyway?
People do that all the time.
Yeah.
I like stop and tell. They're like, I'm just going right there. I'm like, just go around the circle, dude. You're not that important.
Everybody's important. What are you talking about? Everybody's opinion matters.
I've lived in America for so many years, and God knows.
What do you think's going to happen when you put gambling machines in your Circle Mart?
He was just kicking his feet like a little kid, laying on his belly.
He was. He's having a good time. We ruined it.
He's not hurting anyone.
Yeah.
Yo. Uh-oh. You're welcome.
You know what? God.
It's an interesting point.
And I don't even know why. That's sad. You from Ohio? I don't know what's that shit. Well, hey, you know.
Happy.
Hey, let's do that.
Yep. It's gonna be on the left. I'm remembering. I can't remember why Sim and I ran. I think it was Yep, right there where the white car is. Hey, we're home.
Sorry?
We're home. Yeah. You still live here? Okay.
170, I know I'm showing you on scene. Just be advised if he's calling in.
Yeah, that's it. I remember now. Sim and I brought him home for the same thing. It's his uncle. I'm not mean. Thank you.
Oh, shit. And you know, sometimes, you know, when I see,
Radio to 6-3.
Can you call your uncle?
I don't, and my aunties.
Yeah, your auntie, so we can get you in the house.
Okay, so I'm going to call my auntie, and now you're going to. Okay,
We'll let you out into the house when your auntie gets here.
Nope. My.
Your house.
Sure.
You have keys?
Not my house.
Okay, call somebody. We got to get you in, or we're gonna have to take you to the hospital.
And then, you know what? You took me, right? You full of shit. Excuse me.
Hey, get your phone unlocked.
Come on, let's use the phone. We're gonna take you to the hospital. We can't be here all night.
The hospital, now you're going to
If
check me.
we have to, if we can't get you in the house.
And you know, I went to Atlanta, and you know, you took me, and you know, when, and sir, you look at me.
Call your aunt, or we have to take you to the hospital, or we can arrest you. Your choice.
Shit, sir.
Call.
Unlock your phone. Hey, unlock your phone and call your aunt.
Hey, you know what?
It's that or go to the hospital. Hey, are you listening? Open your phone and call your auntie.
Oh, Jesus.
If you don't, you're going to the hospital. Your choice.
And, you know, I choose, you know what? This dream that, you know,
He has an idea on him.
yeah.
Which one do you choose?
Huh?
Which one do you choose? Hospital or call your auntie?
What did I...
That's all. It's your option, man. You're too drunk to be off on your own, okay?
Shut it up. Let me shut it up. Sir, what do you know?
Call your auntie, please.
What?
Please.
Please?
Yes, please call your auntie. I'd appreciate it.
Oh, my auntie's
Yes.
in the hospital, and you know what? And I don't give a what's up.
Okay, call her or your uncle. Doesn't matter.
Oh.
You gotta call one of them. It's either that or go to the hospital, man.
Yeah.
The officers stayed with this man outside of the home that they believed he lived in, were unable to make contact with anybody inside, and spent about 30 minutes trying to reach somebody on the phone, were unsuccessful. The officers then attempted to take this man to a local hospital for treatment. Unfortunately, he refused to cooperate with the medical staff, and the officers were left with no choice but to take him to jail. He was slated at Franklin County Jail and cited for disorderly conduct while being intoxicated in public.
Yeah, I like that. Victor 8742.
All right, Emmanuel. Hey, Manuel. We're gonna have you come in. We're going to the hospital, okay? We gotta have you come sit in this wheelchair, though, okay? Come on. I'll help you out.
Come on, you gotta go.
Come on. I'll help you out. Let's go. Your seatbelt's off. You're good.
We have your phone.
I got your phone. Come
we'll
on.
get your shoes and everything.
You're good. Come on. Yeah. It is. All right, come on. We're gonna step out. Come on. Emmanuel, come on.
Emmanuel, you have to get out. Come on.
Get your shoe on. Pull it out.
We'll get the shoes. Just get out.
Come on. There you go. Perfect. You got it. All right. Put your foot up.
We'll get your shoes. Just pull your foot out.
Pull your foot up. Come on. We're getting out of the car. Come on. There you go. We'll get your shoe. Here. I got your shoe.
We'll get your shoes. Come
There you
on.
go.
Hey, who the fuck is?
Look at that. Perfect.
You know who you look
All right. Let's go.
Watch the seatbelt.
Yep. You gotta get that off your arm, man. Pull your arm through. Pull your arm through. There you go. Let's go. Manuel.
English.
Yeah, he speaks English just fine. Emmanuel, come on. I'll get your shoe, man. Come on.
No.
I'll get your shoe.
Doesn't sound like it, but he does.
Alright.
All right, come on. You can grab on the door if you need to. Perfect.
Man, how you doing?
Hey,
I got you. I got you. Right here, bud. Sit right there. Come on. Cold, man. It's cold. Come on, let's go. Hurry up. Come on. Have a seat, buddy. Just to help. All right, good job, buddy. Okay, put your feet up. Feet up, buddy. All right, we're going.
Hey, stay back.
Have a seat. Yeah, good job.
Good surgery.
Let's go. And we just patted him down. We have his phone.
Stay in the chair, man. You guys gonna stay with him?
Yeah, we're gonna get them.